Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to write image alt text in a seconds with ChatGPT. So all you have to do is open this template. I will give you a description or a link, and I get this link from a GRR marketing. Thank you, and also credits to you. So all copyrights on you. And this is, I'm going to give you some image. I need your help, blah blah blah. You can read the text. So just copy this text and go to the ChatGPT website. Don't forget to log in and Ctrl V here and attach your image here. Send the text first, and I want to see the ChatGPT answer. ChatGPT says, sure, I'll be happy to help with that. Please go ahead and upload the images, and I'll create the descriptive alt text for you with the keyword conversion rate optimization consultant. So you can attach the image here. For example, I just randomly here this one, for example. So let's see ChatGPT answer. Image of Manchester United coach speaking at the press conferences, emphasizing the importance of strategy and performance improvement. A kind to conversion rate optimization consultant in sports management. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And so next button below. See you.